Welcome. We stock round and flat soapstone markers, which are available for sale. We can supply you, the welders, carpenters, machinists, teachers, and other tradesmen and women, with these soapstone markers, to meet your needs. The soapstone is considered number 1, white grade. We offer several different packages of the round and flat soapstone, and some in combinations. The round soapstone holder is made of aluminum. It has a threaded collar that tightens the stone in place. The holder has a pocket clip. The length of the round soapstone holder measures 5 inches, and the diameter is approximately 1.25 inches at the most narrow part. The flat soapstone holder is made of aluminum. It has a brass trigger that depresses and slides to the proper alignment hole, and snaps back to locking position. The channel for the stone is non-corrosive, with a brass indexing trigger, providing smooth sliding action. The pocket clip is made of spring steel, and is oversized to fit leather aprons, or thick denim. The holder measures approximately 5.6 inches in length, 0.6 in width, and 0.3 inches in thickness. They are carefully wrapped and packaged, to reduce the chance of damage during shipping. For ordering, please check the description for our eBay store link. If we receive payment by 1 p.m. Central Standard Time, Monday through Friday, your order will be shipped that same day, providing it is not a postal holiday. We ship them out by the U.S. Post Office, either first class, or flat rate priority mail depending upon the weight. All orders are shipped with tracking. Please don't forget to check out our other welding supplies, including 100 and 300 series torches, welding, acetylene, and propane cutting tips, regulators, flashback arresters, check valves, and strikers. We also stock S45 Trifamet, other aftermarket plasma consumables, for Chicago Electric, Miller, etc. Thank you, and we look forward to having you for our customer.